because I use it, I wait 5 minutes, I use it.
Yeah.
As soon as I use it, it goes down again. No.
Steven, is it okay to use regular water for the teeth? Or does it have to be reverse osmosis water?
No, I turn the thing on, it jets, and then it stops. And then I wait like 5 minutes, do it again. Do the jet.
I think you get enough water.
You want to drink some tea during maybe sometime in the midnight? No.
What? Something's wrong. Oh? Told y'all it's just me fucking trying to make it sick. Filter might be clogged, but y'all won't have them, boo-boo.
Yeah, she's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Sing a little song, pretty girl. Yeah.
Well, I can't wait for this man boat to be all over here. If I do go fishing over there,
Hello, Powder. Hello, Powder. Hello. Hello, pretty bird. Hello, Pee-Pee. Hello, Pee-Pee. Hello, Pee-Pee. What a pretty bird. Hello, Huckleberry. Oh, Huckleberry. What a pretty bird.
Mama?
Do you know if you have a USB cable that'll plug in?